So, in the previous class, we started chapter number 15, Fair Play. Fair Play is the short story about Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry. Both were good friends, and their bond was so strong that in each other's absence, they take care of each other's family. Suddenly, Juman's aunt had transferred all her property to Juman's name, and after some time Juman and Juman's wife they got irritated and they started insulting the old lady, which she tolerated for some time, but her patience had lost and she decided to discuss her problem with Juman. She said that I know I am an unwanted guest at your home, so it's better you give me monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. Listening to that, Juman wanted her to keep patience and live according to his wife, as his wife knows how to run the house. The old lady got angry and she told him that she will take the case to the panchayat. Juman said, "Do as you wish." After that, old lady discussed her problem with the villagers. Some of the people they got sympathized, some laughed at her, while some advised her to make up with her nephew and niece. Then she went to meet Algu Chaudhry, who was Juman's best friend. Algu was quite initially reluctant as Juman was his best friend. He don't want to involve himself in their case. But the old lady requested him and told him don't be quiet and just speak the truth in front of the panchayat. Algu did not reply as he knew that his friend was doing wrong. And he was in a dilemma that he was in a dilemma means he was in a confusion whether he will take his friend's side or old ladies. Panchayat was held the same evening and Juman, old lady, and many villagers had assembled there. In the panchayat, old lady chose Algu Chaudhry as head of the panch. Then Juman was quite relaxed as he knew that Algu was his best friend and he was sure that he will definitely take his side. The old lady knew that Algu will not kill his conscience for the sake of friendship. That's why she chose Algu as head panch. Old lady explained her case to the panchayat. After listening to the old lady, Algu Chaudhry gave chance to Juman to say something in his defense. On giving chance to Juman, Juman said that he cannot control the fight between his wife and old lady, and also he will not be able to afford monthly allowance to to the old lady, as 3 years ago she had transferred all her property. He promised to support her and he had done all he could do, but he cannot control the fight between his wife and old lady. Listening to that, Algu gave the judgment in the favor of old lady that Juman had to pay the monthly allowance to the old lady. The judgment given by Algu broke the friendship. broke his friendship with Joman, and Joman wanted to take revenge from him. Up till here we have studied. Now today we are going to see what happened next. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a problem. After some days, what happened? Algu Chaudhary was in a difficult situation. What was that? One of his bullocks died, and he sold the other to Samjho Sahu, a cart driver of the village. Sahu had promised to pay the price of the bullock within a month, but the bullock died before it. When Algu asked for money, Sahu got very annoyed. Annoyed means got angry. So, what happened with Algu? Algu had sold his bullock, one of his bullock, to Samju Sahu. At that time, the bullock was normal in condition, and Sahu promised him to pay back the money, to pay the price of that he is going to pay the price of the bullock within a month. But before the payment, the bullock got died, and Sahu refused to pay the money. Okay, Sahu got angry as the bullock got died. Now let's see the conversation between Sahu and Algu. Sahu said, I won't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. Use my bullock for a month and then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock. Now Sahu said, I am not going to pay you a single rupee for the bad piece you sold me, bad piece of bullock. Use my bullock. You can use my bullock for a month. For the days I had used your bullock, you can use my bullock and then return it to me. But I will not pay you money for that. Algu Chaudhary, I will refer the case to the Panchayat. Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu Chaudhary, the voice of Panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision. Now, Algu, when Sahu refused to pay the money, he referred the case to the Panchayat, and he gave the chance to Sahu to choose the head Panch, and he said, I will accept the decision given by the head Panch. Sahu suggested the name of Joman as head Panch. I would like to propose, here it is purpose written beta, but here propose will come. It's wrong. Propose will come. I would like to propose the name of Juman Sheikh as the head Panch. Algu's heart, H-E-R-T is written here. Here it will come heart. Algu's heart sank, and he turned pale at the name of Juman. Why? Because earlier, when Algu was the head Panch, he gave the decision, he gave the judgment in old lady's favor, not in Joman's favor. But this time he knew that Joman will take the revenge, and as Sahu had chosen him, he got nervous. But what could he do? The moment Juman became the head Panch, he realized his responsibility as a judge. He could not have his revenge now. He must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. So what happened the moment Juman became the head Panch? He realized his responsibility, and he was not in a mood to take revenge now. He doesn't allow his personal feelings to come in the path of speaking the truth and doing the justice. Both Algu and Sahu started their cases, and both were cross examined. After considering the case, Juman stood up and announced. Now, after listening to both the parties, Algu and Sahu, Juman stood up and he announced his decision. Now, let's see whose side Juman is going to take now. Yes, of course, Algu's, because Algu was right. Why? When he sold the bullock was normal. It was not his fault. So, and the moment he became the head punch, he realized his responsibility. Juman realized his responsibility, and now and he doesn't allow his personal feelings to come and speak the truth and doing the justice. So, Juman said, in our opinion, Samju should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Samju bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu can't be blamed for it. Algu shouted happily, "This is justice, victory to the Panchayat. God lives in the voice of Punch." Soon after, Juman came to Algu, embraced him, and both of them forgot their issues. So, the moment Juman declared his judgment in the favor of Algu, Algu got happy and he shouted happily that this is justice, victory to the Panchayat, and it proved that God lives in the voice of Punch. And both embraced each other. Embraced means hug each other, and both of them became friends again by forgetting their issues. Juman, with tear in his eyes, he said, "Algu, since the last Panchayat I had become your enemy, today I realized that a Panch has no friend or enemy. He knows only justice. Now, no one should deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity." He said, "Algu, since the last Panchayat, when you gave judgment in the favor of old lady, I became your enemy. But today I realized for the Punch there is no friend, no enemy, only justice. He knows only justice. So, no one should deviate, no one should distract from the path of truth and justice." So, I hope you like the story and the story is very much clear to you. So, read the chapter once more and do the back exercise in the book itself and word meanings and question answers in your fair notebook. One more thing I would like to add, in the next class, that is on I think Friday, I will be taking the test of this chapter number 15 of 10 marks only, class test, okay, through Google Forms. So, all the best and prepare the chapter. Now, watch the next video in which I am going to discuss the back exercise. Okay.